You have made the AI influencer images, but these static images are not enough anymore. For a proper, believable social media appearance and growth, you have to generate real-life-like videos. Many of them tell us to use the expensive AI tools, but results are not best. So today in this video, I will share a new AI influencer workflow by which you can make so realistic videos that no one can tell the difference between real and AI. So let's begin the video. So to make AI influencer videos, the first thing we need is a beautiful influencer image. If you already have one, that's great. But if you are just starting out, you will need to create it from scratch. In my previous video, I explained everything, step by step, how to create AI influencer images. Click on the I button and make sure to watch that video first. So first, go to this website, and here you search for the selfie videos, dance videos, or UGC videos, etc. For example, I go with the selfie videos, and here we have the multiple selfie videos. Just scroll through them and choose any one that inspired you. Once you choose any one, then download them. We are not copying anything. This is only for inspiration and references. In my case, I downloaded this one. As you can see, it's a very simple and clean video with no heavy and complex movements. All you do is to take the screenshot of their initial frame. You can also extract the initial frame by go to File and just save the image. These initial frames are very important for video generation. Next, we go to the llamarina.ai. Click on the top left side battle option and select the direct chat from that. You will see a few icons at the bottom and click on the image icon. From the top, click on the image models and make sure to select the Google Nano Banana Pro in 2K. Now, here we upload our influencer image and the video initial frame that we just took a screenshot of, and give it a very simple prompt. Make the image one pose, dress, and camera angle same like image 2. Now here, camera angle and pose is very important. They help to create smooth and realistic body movements. Click on Generate. Here is the result. You can see that Nano Banana keeps the same angle and pose and also matches the dress. You can also change the outfit if you want. Once your influencer image is finalized, then move to the video creation step. The first tool we used for video creation is wan.ai. Go to wan.video. From the left sidebar, click on Generate. Scroll down a little and hover your mouse over this small menu. From here, select the avatar option. You will see speech to video is already selected. From the drop-down menu, choose the character swap. Now simply upload the downloaded reference video and the influencer image that we generated using llamarina. From the settings, select the Pro instead of a standard. It costs 0 credits, which means you can generate the video for free. As you can see, they also provide you daily credits for generation, but these are not enough. Since it's free, it will take a long time to generate the video. Now click on Generate. Now here's the result. It perfectly replaces the character with my influencer, and the result looks impressive. There are some minor defects, and the face looks slightly changed. Since this is a free method, these small issues are expected. Here is the one more output generated using the free method. If you want a free option, you can definitely use this. They have minor motion issues, but they still looks good. The second tool we can use for creating influencer videos is Kling 2.6 motion control model. Their accuracy, motions, and quality is much better than WAN 2.2. So let's try to generate the video from that. You can use Kling 2.6 directly on their website, or you can also access it through any third-party platform. For now, I am accessing through Higgsfield.ai. Go to Higgsfield.ai, click on video, and from there, choose Kling Motion Control. Now repeat the same steps we followed earlier. Take a reference video, then generate the same angle and pose from Nano Banana. Here we upload the reference video. This time, I am trying a different video and a different image. Here is our targeted reference video, and this is our initial frame generated by Nano Banana. Upload both of them into the Higgsfield. As you can see, this method costs credits. Higgsfield offers 10 free credits daily for generation. I know this is very limited, but Kling 2.6 itself is not free at all, so at least you can test it. If you want more generations, you can purchase their plan. Click on Generate. It takes about 2-3 minutes to generate the video. And here's the output. It looks so real. No one can tell it's AI generated. It basically copied all the motions of the reference video. There are no minor defects, and even the face remains 100% consistent. Here is one more good output. The results are mind-blowing. This one looks extremely real, and the expressions feel very natural. We are not copying the original video. We are generating something completely new. With the help of Nano Banana and Kling 2.6, you can create truly lifelike videos. It's completely up to you whether you choose the free method or the paid method. You've seen both results in front of you. So that's all from me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe.